When a U.S. citizen thinks a law or executive order contradicts their constitutional rights, they will bring their complaint to the courts. This is part of a process known as judicial review. The judicial branch of the U.S. government has the power to rule on laws, executive orders, and other actions implemented by Congress and the President. Judicial review has been a vital and healthy part of our government system since the early 19th century. In most instances, the process for overturning a federal order begins in the federal district courts. District court rulings normally affect only parties, those who are directly involved in the case. But in certain instances, like immigration policy, district court judges' rulings may be enforced nationwide. These judges are usually first asked to determine if the law or executive order needs to be temporarily stopped, while all sides gather evidence and lay out their arguments. There are two different versions of this type of ruling, but all you need to know is that both are only in place until a final judgment is handed down. These temporary restraints are important because a final ruling can take years. The federal judicial system is made up of tiers, with the district courts on the bottom, the federal circuit courts above them, and the Supreme Court on top. If there is confusion or disagreement with the district court's ruling, then the circuit court, or court of appeals, will weigh in. If the disagreement continues, the Supreme Court can choose to take up the case and provide the ultimate determination. A judicial ruling can simply be ignored sometimes, which actually happened in 1832, when President Andrew Jackson just ignored a Supreme Court ruling on Native American rights. However, most politicians fear ignoring a judicial ruling, even one they disagree with, as it could create a constitutional crisis.